Let me be real with you. If you're not making money online right now, you're seriously missing out. Think about it. The internet has become a goldmine for opportunities, and every day more people are cashing in. But here's what's crazy. I've come across a method that's allowing teenagers to rake in up to $12,500 a month.
What?
Yes, actual teenagers, not years of experience, no fancy degrees, no huge investment, just pet products.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sounds insane, right? I get it. When I first heard about this, I had the same reaction. I thought, there's no way this can be real. Probably another overhyped scam. But then I dug deeper, and what I found blew my mind. The best part? It's not some overly complicated hustle or one of those too good to be true schemes. It's surprisingly straightforward and accessible, no matter where you're starting from. So, if you're sitting there wondering what they know that you don't, or why you're not seeing results while they're crushing it, stick around. Because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking everything down for you. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just actionable steps to get you started today. Let me ask you this. If teenagers are out there turning cute pet pictures into serious cash, what's stopping you? Have you ever wondered how easy it could actually be to set up something like this? Or are you still convinced that making money online has to be complicated? Feel free to answer this question in the comment section. So, what's this gold mine I'm talking about? Let's break it down. Step 1. Sourcing high-quality pet images. Alright, here's the deal. If you want this to work, you can't settle for mediocre images. Blurry, pixelated, low-res pics? Not happening. You need visuals that pop, and that's why we're heading to Pexels. It's a gold mine for royalty-free, high-quality pet photos, no licenses required, no strings attached. Open your browser, type in pexels.com, and boom, you've got access to over 4 million stock photos and videos. For this tutorial, we're keeping it simple and focusing on pets. Search for example, cute dog in the search bar. Our mission? Find clear, single animal images because that's what makes your design stand out. Bonus tip, look for animals standing up. It adds an extra flair to your products. Like this one right here. Adorable, right? Just click it, download it in the highest resolution, and repeat for 4 or 5 more. Done. Printify. If you've ever thought, starting a business sounds complicated, let me stop you right there. Printify flips the script. It's like having a business partner that does all the heavy lifting for you. No warehouses, no inventory, no shipping labels. Just you, your ideas, and a platform built to make things stupidly simple. You list, they print, they ship. And it integrates seamlessly with platforms like TikTok Shop, Shopify, eBay, and more. Think it's all talk? Just take a look at this shop raking in thousands of dollars every single day using this exact model. It's proof that this method isn't just possible. It's wildly profitable when done right. They've tapped into a fast-growing market, leveraging tools anyone can access, and the profits are staggering. If they can do it, why can't you? The opportunity is massive, and you've got all the tools to claim your piece of the pie. Now let's come over here. Click here. Use your Google account or just sign up with an email and password. From there, it's plug and play. Trust me, you're going to crush it. Before we jump into the exciting part of creating these products, let me pause for a moment and talk directly to you. If you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed, trust me, I've been there too, trying to figure out how to make a breakthrough. But here's the thing, success doesn't have to be a lonely road. In the pinned comment and the description below, I've shared a complete toolkit of the exact resources that took me from a beginner to scaling my affiliate business to $15,000 per month in just a matter of weeks. And the best part? These tools are beginner-friendly, require little to no investment, and are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. This is your chance to skip the trial and error and start making real progress. If I can do it, you can too. So take a second, scroll down, and check them out. I want to see you succeed because that's what this is all about, helping each other grow and win. Let's do this together. So now you have created your account now. Let's take the product we are going to customize. Let's scroll it a little and come under section bestseller, and here we have the mug. Now we are going to design this product. Now for the fun part, uploading your pet photos we just download from Pexel. Click here, then here, choose your photo, wait a sec, boom, your image is on the product. But here's the thing, don't just slap the image on and call it a day. This is where winners separate from losers. Take it up a notch, remove the background. Trust me, this one move alone can boost your earnings dramatically. Use the quick remove tool, apply it, and watch the image transform. Let's try to rotate this image a bit. 270? No? Okay, alright, we are good to go. Perfectly. Your design needs to look premium. Preview the mug to see how it looks in real life. Front, back, sides, It's perfect. Save your product. Printify even writes a description for you. Adjust your price strategically. Aim for $7, $15, or even $50. It all depends on your audience. Now, repeat this process with more bestsellers. Here's the harsh truth. Plenty of people jump into this business and fail. Why? Because they lack the key magic, the right information. They rush in, miss critical steps, and give up too soon. But you're different. You've got patience, the right mindset, and now, the tools to start seeing results. Stick with this, and that $12,500 a month I mentioned, it's not a dream. It's the reality waiting for you. Let's talk time. Most people think they need endless hours to make something work, but that's not true. In reality, success is about working smart, not endlessly grinding. If you've got even 30 minutes a day, you can create serious momentum in this business. Start by setting priorities. First, commit to designing at least one product every day. Consistency builds inventory and experience. Second, dive into organic content creation. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are your secret weapon. Imagine creating a 15-second TikTok showcasing your designs with a trending sound. It's free and powerful. Pro tip: focus on storytelling. Show the why behind your product. This mug, it's inspired by Max, the goofy Labrador who lights up every morning. People connect with stories. They buy into emotions. Lastly, batch your content. Spend an hour on Sunday planning posts for the week. Time efficient and effective. Trust me, the results will surprise you. Finally, keep this in mind. The difference between those who make it and those who don't, it's persistence. Show up for yourself every single day, and success won't just be a dream, it'll be your reality. Now it's your move. What's it going to be? See you at the top.